Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Rosie. My name is Rosie.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 21-year-old. I'm 21-year-old.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I like painting and playing sports. I like painting and playing sports.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have pet dog. Yes, I have pet dog.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like travel? Do you like travel?
Yes, I like traveling. Yes, I like traveling.
Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of Spanish and French. I speak a bit of Spanish and French.
Do you like to read? Do you like to read?
I enjoy reading fiction and self-help books. I enjoy reading fiction and self-help books.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Great Gatsby. My favorite book is The Great Gatsby.
What is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Manifest. My favorite TV show is Manifest.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you like to go hiking? Do you like to go hiking?
I enjoy hiking in the mountains. I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Do you follow any specific diet? Do you follow any specific diet?
I try to eat healthy most of the time. I try to eat healthy most of the time.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
I go jogging every day. I go jogging every day.